Hi, my name is Jake. I'm the service manager here at Koch 33 Volkswagen. Thank you for your recent purchase. Today we're going to do a walk around of our service department and show you what to expect from our great service facility. Here's our state-of-the-art repair facility where we have over 5 master technicians, 10 technicians in total, most of which who have been with the Volkswagen brand for over 20 years. The best part about these master technicians is the years of experience they have. Getting your vehicle fixed right the first time is our top priority for you. When you come in for service, you just pull up to our service drive. Pull up close to the doors within a couple feet and they will open up automatically. And once they open, you just pull on forward and one of our friendly service advisors will be out to greet you in just a few moments. The service writer acts as a liaison between yourself and the technician in order to give you up-to-date information on what's going on with your vehicle in the service department. Here's our complimentary waiting area where you're able to wait with your vehicle while you're serviced. If you cannot wait with your vehicle, we do offer a shuttle service, as well as complimentary loaners with availability restrictions. We look forward to servicing your vehicle for years to come here at Koch 33 Volkswagen. If you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at 610-991-9100. Again, my name is Jake, I'm the service manager here, and anything you need, feel free to reach out.